Just call biodigester.
Biodigester na the new Soakaway be say if you shit put within 3 days, the shit don disappear, go digest, go turn water, then go enter the soak pit. That one go suck and comot.
Okay. This one is soak pit.
This one na the soak pit.
You can soak and throw away.
Yes.
So let me say the water will stay for inside.
No, they stay inside. Biodigester now will come here come do.
Biodigester. Now me stand on top so.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, what did they say now?
The chemicals them when they say na 4 layers na there.
Okay.
So we get the evacuation media, we get the activated black carbon, then we get the CTF. Then the CTF with this enzyme when they are the organic enzyme, they work together.
Okay. Just call biodigester.
Biodigester na the new Soakaway be say if you shit put within 3 days, the shit don disappear, go digest, go turn water, then go enter the soak pit. That one go suck and comot.
Okay. This one is soak pit.
This one na the soak pit.
You can soak and throw away.
Yes.
So let me say the water will stay for inside.
No, they stay inside. Immediately they all flush. The water will come out, go remove only the shit. After 3 days, you don't chop the shit. The shit go still come out.
Okay. But the other one they say that they still do, like say they come they bring out gas for inside.
That one they call biogas.
Okay.
That one, the way they build and they different from this one.
Okay.
That one method no be like this, and they require cow shit and all those waste products, all those food when we say they want throw away. They'll put them inside.
Okay. Right. My name is Horagmo Godwin Osamu. What be your name?
My name is Jaswe Agbara Yowe.
Jaswe Agbara
Yowe.
Okay. But now the name of our company.
IKT.
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 You represent your Gabi?
Yes, I represent my organ. I may be manager.
Can you be manager? Okay, because you're not there around now.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. You saying that just 3 days. Nah, you take a script put at the end of the day, will disappear once.
Yes.
I know the smell come out.
You know the smell. Mosquito know the day inside, cockroach know the near. Even all those grass when they grow for the whole Soakaway corner, you know they grow come out for this one. Okay,
with all those grass, then they feel come out. Why?
Because of the enzyme when they put for inside. That thing when they make and they chop the shit, so and all those things they scare them.
What do the enzyme so?
And the enzyme, organic enzyme.
Okay, these are the organic enzyme so.
Yes.
So you can put on inside. I put on that thing, Abi.
Okay.
Put on.
They mostly concentrate on the place where the pipe will come outside.
Okay. Okay. So like how many years this enzyme duration now?
This enzyme now we dey give guarantee of 25 years. But if you say the person use and well, it last 40 years.
Wait, so this thing you're pouring inside be like saying almost so. Yeah, be the enzyme so.
Yeah, the enzyme.
It will last for 25 years.
25 years, yes.
25 years.
Guarantee.
Guarantee.
Yes.
So okay, you not get anything with the stopper.
Yeah, waiting they stop on. We go make the shit no dey digest. Now be pad, condom, and all those other things when no dey decay. All those things when no dey ferment. They know they flush and enter inside. The flush and put it no go. It go affect the organic enzyme and the CTF. So no coffee make them work together again.
Okay, sir. Alright, what you get to tell people the patronize this way?
What I'll get to tell them now, God will bless them. Whatever thing when they do, they no go ever lack. Now prosper, they go prosper.
Amen. So, Oga, you say what you stop on all those pads, condom, and all that. And they stop on. Then what if I not come there as I can't be down, turn at the one side, or my children don't grow, and me are not there around. Before they come back, they can't they put things for inside like that. Can't use you know guys now, or I can't build hotel. You know if you tell Lord for tell me not to put something for inside now. I don't know do that kind part.
That one I will come build separation shower for them. When we say go they cash those things, we go make no go enter inside.
Okay, separation shower would do.
Yeah.
That one going to cash all those things, not going to enter inside.
Yes.
Wow. Those things nobody smell for there.
No, they smell.
But it don't mix with excretion now.
As far as the excretion must pass, the only that one go remain there.
So now see they put inside for there, they go make another smell.
No, we no dey put inside there. E get wetin we dey put for there when dey prevent when go comot am. If even though you flush it, that one no go fit hold am. The shit go pass in while the
Okay.
things
Okay,
go dey one
okay,
side.
the shit now go follow her. No come the smell. Come out again. Wow. Okay. Now let's do put for this house.
Na 2 na we put for this house.
2.
Yes.
I'm gonna see the other one.
Okay.
Okay. Now guys, second of this one so.
Yes, na the second one be this one.
Okay. Everything see there like this.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the work for here.
This one na the sock pit. So when rain dey fall, e push sand enter na the sand dey pack comot for inside. So
wow. Okay. So if na cover am now, everything will come do okay.
everything will come dey okay. Yes.
Well, why I can't do am too like this?
Yeah, because of where the distance of the toilet is too much. Some toilet dey that part, some dey this part. So we got put one for here to for those toilet when they mean for use am. There with the kitchen wey dey for this side.
The toilet and kitchen this side. I mean, the both toilet and kitchen end for here.
Yes.
The toilet and kitchen see that side.
Yeah, see that side.
Oh, can I come put am come to like this?
Yes.
Okay. So how much for this one now?
Yeah, one na 600, but as it take be 2, so they negotiate am.
Okay, as it be 2, they come negotiate am.
Yes.
Okay, what about I don't fit dig one Soakaway, and before I come see your video like this, I want I can't do this type. How much will it cost me?
Yeah, that one will cost you 400,000.
400,000. Wow. So how many days it go take?
Like to build am.
Yes, everything.
Everything. Now normally another 3 days go build am, but wetin make we dey tell our client 1 week because plumbing work.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. But the digging and setting everything.
Everything.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. So if now I go on site now, they go say go the monitor and first, go check and first, or I just take see where my house they come go down for me.
No, normally if na Benin here, we come check am. Then if na still outside Benin, the client go send us transport when we say go there, go check the place. But if you say na wetin we no fit meet up, if you do the video of the compound, the space when dey the compound, send to us. The video all the place when the toilet there for come out and the kitchen, then we'll tell you what to do.
Okay. So that is na Benin and the transportation dey be.
The transportation dey under our custody. The client no dey pay transportation. Na only outside Benin, and the client go pay transportation.
What if I not come give you the job?
If you not give me the job, na be the business. Na a game of
gain and loss.
Gain and loss.
All right, thank you very much.
Yes.
So you get anything to tell us or any challenges in the past through?
Although no challenges for now. All the clients when we receive through a doctor show, they are trying, and they give us headache.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So this money will take so. Is it na both one to set and do everything? Now, I see that the money dey agree for the cement block and everything for inside.
No, the block and the cement, the plank, and the granite, and the owner na go provide that come. Okay. Anything concerning the workmanship, the digging, setting, plastering, our chemical wey we dey put, we dey under our own custody.
Okay, the bricklayer work.
Yes.
And una service for
work. Yes.
Na be now for inside. So then I will come give you granite, sand, water, and cement. Okay. Thank you very much. So you give us your phone number and address now.
Okay. My phone number na 091 66 47 46 99. My home address na kilometer 19, Penisaple Road, Iyanomo community. Okay,
sir. Thank you. All right, yes, we welcome to the climax of the day. In fact, IKT engineering concept. Now, in Malaga, so it got to us everything they come do here today, and the amount for this Soakaway. See, this biodigester na just 600,000 naira only. We don't do one. My people, now one of the best Soakaway in business because why? You know the smell and you know the food. You know the food at all. As you street food, before 3 days, it don't disappear. And you no go see any other mosquito no go dey fly for your window. You know dey happen at all. Oh, and people, me I no go talk too much. Oh, they say sin is believing, and a trial will convince you. make you call them. Their phone number and address is there my bottom as I talk to you so. But in case you can't forget, we dey for website so you go see on www.edotalkshow.com.ng. Any video wey you dey find, whether na plumber o, electrician o, abi na painter o, abi na electrician or any builder at all, abi na IKT engineering concept na you look for, there. Edo Talk Show. And this is Rebecca Godwin Osamuyi. Now well done.